Hey y'all, hey, listen, I randomly found this wig on Amazon, got it the same day. The reviews are top tier. This is the picture right here that gathered me all the way up. In this video right here, I said, look at that deep wave. Y'all, I absolutely had to grab this wig. And when I tell you, baby, this wig ate down. It ate all the way down. And the installation was so easy. I said, I gotta give y'all the tea on this. Stay tuned. Hi guys, guess what? So I did a thing. I jumped on Amazon and searched for a human hair wig that I would be able to receive just within a couple of hours. Now if you don't have Prime, I don't know what to tell you. Now I got this wig within a couple of hours, and if you were on live with me yesterday, then you already know. Let me tell y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all the wig that I found. Now the reviews are excellent, but this is not a well-known vendor, so yeah, I don't really know how they about to come at it, okay? But this is the LMOMLOM store. Okay, this is their 13x6 deep wave lace front wig, human hair. It's supposed to be 180% density, transparent frontal wig, HD. Deep curly, glueless. Now it's a 13x6, so I may not wear it glueless because, you know, with more lace it's harder to achieve a natural looking glueless look. So I'm probably gonna melt it, and I got 26 inches, but here's the catch. This to get you gotcha right here. I got 26 inches for $71 now. Now this is human hair now. Y'all already know the rules. You know the longer the hair that you desire, the more money that vendor is gonna require. Okay? You know how the game go. We Judge Mathis out here, honey. You can't run no game on us. Wigs, we've been there. But this was only $71 for this 26 inch. I was a little, I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you what got me were the reviews. The reviews say, sis, get the wig, okay? Don't overthink it. Just get the wig. So I got the wig, and we just gonna see what's what, okay? So y'all stick with me. We're gonna test this out because I literally got this the same day that I ordered it, okay? Now I ordered it about, I don't know, maybe like 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, okay? So you do have to order at a specific time in order to receive what you need in a timely fashion. Look at your neighbor and say, timely fashion. You see, y'all want to be out here doing things at any given time of the day, huh? Some of y'all out here, y'all don't even keep a watch on your wrist, okay? You relying on your cell phone to tell you what time it is when that's supposed to come from within, huh? The time is supposed to come from an instinct. Some people put a T on the end of that word, but I like to give you the hard K sound, okay? Because see, y'all got to understand, when you don't know what time it is, you always gonna be late to the party, And if you're late to the party, you might as well stay home. Now I do like to stay home. I ain't gonna hold you now. I got a feeling that this wig is gonna be all right. I have a feeling, okay? So y'all just stay tuned, stick with me. Let's see if we can work this out, cause yeah, I have feelings, guys. Let's see.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me